class 1. Good morning. How are you? Fine. So class 1, today we will have the third part of Please Thank You and Pardon Me lesson of your course book, and today we have to do 3 exercises. Okay. So before starting class 1, write your name in the discussion box so that I could know that you are attending the class. Okay. So in the last part, what did we do? We have done the fill-ups, that is C1, C2, that is write doing words under the correct picture, and I have told you that the C3 part is your notebook work. So let us start this exercise in the notebook. So take out your notebook. Before starting it, I want to know if you have written your poem in the notebook or not. I hope that you all have written the poem in the notebook. So class 1, see this exercise C3, and it is given that look at these doing words. You do some of these at home, some at school. Write them in 2 columns below. ये purple box में there are many doing words, okay, and those are sleep, write, watch TV, listen to the teacher, comb your hair, copy from the blackboard, do homework, eat dinner, play football. Okay, these are the doing words. Some of the doing words we do at home and some of the doing words we do at school. जैसे sleep. Sleep means सोना. आप कहाँ सोते हैं? Of course we sleep at home. Write. Where do you write? We write at school as well as at home. Watch TV. We watch TV at home. Listen to the teacher. Of course at school. Comb your hair at home. Copy from the blackboard or the green board or whiteboard. It is in school. Homework. Where do you do the homework? We do homework at home. And dinner at home. Play football. This can be at school and at home also. Okay. So we are going to do the same in the notebook. Okay. In the notebook. So put today's date. Class work. This is the exercise of chapter 3. I am not writing the name of the chapter because my board is not that large. So you should mention it. And this is C3 exercise. This exercise is C3 from page number 29. और ये C3 exercise में क्या करना है? बहुत सारे doing words दिए हुए हैं. जैसे उस दिन हमने teach, play, give, dance and jump पढ़ा था. That they are action words or doing words. And उससे पहले हमने मैचिंग किया था running, skipping, reading, swimming, riding and cooking का. Likewise ये एक और एक्सरसाइज है डूइंग वर्ड्स का, जिसमें हमको ये बताना है कि जितने भी डूइंग वर्ड्स बॉक्स में हैं वो हम कहाँ करते हैं. Whether we do that at school or we do that at home. So see, look at these doing words. You do some at home and some at school. Write them in 2 columns below. 2 columns बनाना है इसके लिए, C3 exercise के लिए. So for that, make 2 columns in the notebook. The first column will be for home. Okay. And the second column will be for school. Or the first column will be for school. This is up to you which column you want to make first. So I have written school first and after that home. Okay, so WRITE, write. Where do you write? आप writing कहाँ करते हैं? Of course, we write at home and as well as at school. तो ये स्कूल वाले कॉलम में भी आएगा, होम वाले कॉलम में भी आएगा. WRITE, right? And here also we will write WRITE, right? Because हम लिखने का काम स्कूल में भी करते हैं और घर में भी करते हैं. Number 2 is listen. LISTEN, listen. Here it is written to the teachers. TEACHER. Listen to the teacher. Number 3. Copy from the blackboard. COPY. Copy from the blackboard. BLACK. Black. BOAR. Blackboard is a compound word. Copy from the blackboard. It is given in the bracket. Copy from the blackboard. We do this action or we do this at school. Number 4, play football. This can be done at school as well as at home. So, what do we do at school? Write, listen to the teacher, copy from the blackboard and play football. Now come to the home column, that what we do at home. So we write at home, we sleep at home, SLEEP, sleep at home, we watch TV, WATCH, watch TV at home. The next is comb your hair. Comb your hair. Play football. See, play football is written in both the columns, school as well as home. So I am writing here play football again. Play football. And the last is eat dinner. Eat dinner. Now here the exercises ends. Class 1, I am giving you a little time to complete it. Kindly complete it fast so that we could do the next exercise. For class 1, I am repeating it one more time. 2 columns we have to make for exercise C3, school, home. In school we have to write what we do at school, and in home column we have to write what we do at home. So for school we have written WRITE, write, LISTEN, listen to the teacher, COPY, कॉपी, कॉपी का मतलब होता है देख कर लिखना। कॉपी करने का मतलब होता है किसी चीज की नकल करना। सो व्हेन आई राइट ऑन द बोर्ड, व्हाट डू यू डू? आप उसको कॉपी करते हैं। जब आप अपनी कॉपी में लिखते हैं, दैट मीन्स यू आर कॉपीइंग इट। सो कॉपी फ्रॉम द ब्लैक बोर्ड। प्ले फुटबॉल। हियर एट होम कॉलम वी हैव रिटन WRITE, राइट मीन्स लिखना। SLEEP, sleep means सोना। watch TV. Okay, let me tell you one thing class 1, जब हम किसी चीज को देखते हैं, there are 2 to 3 words for that. Okay, now when you are in the classroom physically, जब आप क्लासरूम में टीचर के साथ होते हो, तब you are looking at the teacher, आप टीचर को देख रहे होते हो। But now I am physically not present here, but I am virtually present. जब आप मेरे को कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे या लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन पे देखते हो, that means you are watching me. You are watching me. Likewise, this is watch TV. Okay. वॉच मीन्स देखना, जैसे लुक मीन्स देखना होता है, सी मीन्स देखना होता है, वैसे ही वॉच मीन्स देखना होता है। ठीक है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज COMB, कॉम। कॉम मीन्स कंघी करना। PLAY, प्ले मीन्स खेलना। देन EAT, ईट मीन्स खाना खाना। ओके, सो डू इट फास्ट। So class 1, is your work done? Shall I erase it? If the work in the given time is not done, that doesn't mean that आपका ये काम छूट गया. You can refer to the notes that we have uploaded in the school online app. आप वहां से भी देखकर लिख सकते हैं. Okay? Now come to the next exercise. First I will make you understand कि उस exercise में करना क्या है, और उसके बाद फिर हम उस exercise को बुक में करेंगे या फिर नोटबुक में करेंगे. Okay? Now the next is, we have just done C3. The exercise D we have done in the previous part. Now here, let me finish the notebook work first. Okay, then we have one book work, then this chapter will be over. Now we are going to write 2 question answers in the notebook that is not given in your book. आपकी बुक में वो question answers नहीं है. This is the question answers that is given by from the teacher side. Okay, so you will simply put question answers or answer these questions. Okay, so again put a heading as question answers or answer these questions. You can write ANSWER, answer these questions. The question answers are very easy. और आपको पता है, आपको लिखते लिखते मैम लर्न भी करा देंगी. फिर आपको घर में सिर्फ एक बार बोलोगे, फिर वापस रिपीट करोगे, तो देन यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर इट. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट आर द नाइस वर्ड्स टू से? पोयम में कौन कौन से नाइस वर्ड्स पोयम ने हमको सिखाए हैं? Please, thank you and pardon me are the nice words to say. ये तो पोयम की ही लाइन है ना? So the question is, question I am writing with red. Question number 1. The question is WHAT A-T, what? A-R-E-R, T-H-E, the, N-I-C-E, nice, W-O-R-D-S, words. What are the nice words to say? And a question mark. Class 1, always remember that a question ends with a question mark. एक question mark से end होता है. Okay? The question is, what are the nice words to say? And the answer is, please, thank you and pardon me, are such nice words to say. The poem itself is the answer, and the answer is P-L-E-A-S-E, please. T-H-A-N-K, thank. Y-O-U-U, thank you. And pardon me, P-A-R-D-O-N, pardon me. Only you have to write these three by your own. Rest the sentence is in the question itself. Please, thank you and pardon me are the nice words to say. So I am copying from the question itself. See, I will copy from the question itself. Are the nice words to say. S-A-Y, say. And because this is an answer, it will end with a full stop. Class 1, write down fast. Have you all written? Shall I write question number 2? Oh, question number 2 is 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 nice words. And जैसा कि मैम ने आपको बताया था जब पोएम पढ़ा रहे थे कि यही 3 मैजिक वर्ड जो नाइस वर्ड्स हैं उन्हें हम मैजिक वर्ड्स भी कहते हैं. So tell me, what do the magic words show? ये जो मैजिक वर्ड्स है अगर हम इसको यूज करेंगे तो क्या शो होता है? यही शो होता है that we are polite. So I am writing question number 2. Question number 2 is, what do the magic words show? What do the M-A-G-I-C, magic. What do the magic words show? शो करने का मतलब होता है दिखाना. मैजिक वर्ड्स से क्या शो होता है? Through the magic words, we show our politeness. So the answer is ANS. Answer is the magic words show our politeness. See, the answer will be started from here. The magic words show, and the first letter is always capital. So I am copying from the question itself. but my first letter is capital because this is the starting of the sentence. The magic words, WORDS words, SHOW show our our politeness. The spelling of politeness is POLITENESS. The magic words show our politeness. So, class 1, here your notebook work ends. We have one more exercise, that too in the book, then this chapter will be over. And do you remember what I have told you? I have told you to learn all the spellings at home. धीरे धीरे करके सारे spellings जब हम practice करेंगे तो हमको learn हो जाएंगे. Okay. And I have to give you today's homework also, isn't it? मैं तो भूल गई थी. So, the one which you have done as classwork, जो आपने classwork किया है, this is homework also. This is classwork and homework. So, the same you need to do in your homework notebook. ये दोनों question answers learn करेंगे और दोनों question answers को homework notebook में लिखना है. Okay? What do the magic words show? What are the nice words to say? Please, thank you and pardon me are the nice words to say. Learn the answer with the teacher. Please, thank you and pardon me are the nice words to say. Question number 2. What do the magic words show? Magic words से क्या show होता है? And the answer is, the magic words show our politeness. The magic words show our politeness. Now class 1, I am here with the last exercise. Please open page number 30 of your book. Please open page number 30 of your book. The G exercise of page number 30. The G exercise of page number 30. And the exercise is, choose the correct words from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Okay. And for every sentence, two options are given. Like, I am here with exercise G, that is on page number 30 of your book. Okay. And I am writing down the paragraph. Okay. One by one we will write the answer. I-W-E-N-T, went for a dash. And for writing or for filling this dash, there are two words. The first is picnic and the second one is holiday. I went for a dash with my parents. parents. Okay. Now, with my parents, dash. And for this, for filling this dash, two words are tomorrow. Tomorrow means आने वाला कल. And last week का मतलब है जो वीक चला गया, पिछले हफ्ते और पिछली सप्ताह में. I went for a dash with my parents dash. So here I went for a picnic with my parents last week. मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ लास्ट वीक पिकनिक गया था. I went for a picnic with my parents last week. Fill the blanks in the book. This is your book work only. This is book work. You have to do it in book. And the question answers is your homework. The next line is we went. See the word went. This is the same word go. ये जो word है went का मतलब होता है it is just like go. Go का मतलब जाना होता है, वैसे ही went का मतलब भी जाना होता है, पर थोड़ा सा different है. That go means जाना and went means गए. I went, मैं गया और मैं गई. Likewise, we went means हम गए. We went to dash. And two options are, the first option is school. हम स्कूल गए. क्या स्कूल कोई पिकनिक जा सकता है? No. We go to school to study only, isn't it? Or we go to school for a visit. हम वहाँ देखने जा सकते हैं, किसी काम से जा सकते हैं, but पिकनिक तो नहीं जाएंगे. Or the second option is children's park. Children's park. And the option that has to be filled is we went to children's park. Where did they go? वो एक children's park में गए. We went to a children's park. बच्चों के पार्क में गए. Now the next is my cousins came with us too. मेरे cousins भी मेरे साथ आए या हमारे साथ आए. My cousins, cousins, cousins came with us too. Came with us too. See the word two. Two का मतलब होता है TOO का मतलब होता है also. एक two होता है TO2 और एक two होता है TWO2. All these three words have the same pronunciation but they have different meanings. सबका pronunciation तो same है लेकिन meaning different है. तो इस two का मतलब क्या है? इस two का मतलब है भी. हमारे cousins भी. Okay, and see the word this CAME came. This is the same word that you say come. Come कहते हैं ना, come का मतलब होता है आना और came means आए. जैसे go जाना, went गए, come आना, came आए. My cousins came with us too. We had a dash. We had a dash. And for filling that, there are two words. The first say good time and the second say bad time. अभी आप सोचो कि अगर कोई पिकनिक जाएगा तो उसका टाइम गुड होगा या बैड होगा? Of course it should be good. We had a good time. We had a good time. Good time means हमें वहाँ बहुत enjoy किया, हमें बहुत मजा आया, हमारा टाइम बहुत अच्छा बीता. Okay, so the answers are: I went for a picnic with my parents last week. We went to children's park. My cousins came with us too. We had a good time. And there is a word there also after this. We had a good time there. Now, for writing the next part, I have to erase this. क्लास 1, डू यू रिमेम्बर मैम ने बोला था कि आपसे एक एक्टिविटी कराएगी, है ना? ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैम तो भूल गई, लेकिन मैम भूली नहीं है. We will do an activity at last. Okay. So, the next is we took lots of dash there. We took lots of dash there. And for filling this dash, there are two words. The first one is time and the second one is photograph. अगर आप पिकनिक जाएंगे तो क्या लेंगे? Yes, of course. We took a lots of photographs. See the word took. Took means the same meaning. Take. Take means लेना and took means लिया. हमने बहुत सारे photographs लिए. Write the answer: PHOTO, photo, GRAPHS, graphs. Photographs. We took lots of photographs. We were very dash. उसके बाद हमें बहुत we were very dash. And for filling this dash, there are two options. That is excited. Excited and sleepy. जिस दिन हम पिकनिक जा रहे होते हैं, we are very excited, isn't it? लेकिन जब मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग हो जाती है, पिकनिक ओवर होने वाला होता है, तो फिर हमें क्या हो जाती है? नींद आने लगती है. दैट मीन्स वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग स्लीपी. वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग स्लीपी. सो वी वेर वेरी स्लीपी. हमें बहुत नींद आ रही थी. टू फीलिंग स्लीपी मीन्स नींद आना. ओके, जैसे फीलिंग हंग्री मीन्स भूख लगना. फीलिंग थर्स्टी मीन्स प्यास लगना. लाइकवाइज वी वर वेरी स्लीपी व्हेन वी केम बैक. जब हम वापस आए तो हमें बहुत नींद आ रही थी. We were very sleepy when we came back. We thanked our parents. After coming back from the picnic, the children thanked their parents. We thanked, THANKED, thanked. Thank you. Thank मतलब thank you बोलना, and thanked means thank you बोला. We thanked our parents for a dash. And to fill this dash, there are two words: a lovely day, and the second option is a bad day. बच्चों ने अपने पेरेंट्स को थैंक यू क्यों बोला होगा? फॉर अ लवली डे और फॉर अ बैड डे? फॉर, ऑफ कोर्स, फॉर अ lovely day. So write here a lovely day. A lovely day. So class 1, here your chapter ends and we will do some drawing and coloring activity now. Okay, so I have to make a simple flower, and in that flower what are we going to make? We are going to do an activity of magic words. An activity of magic words. और magic कैसे होता है पता है? Magic होता है, class 1, do you remember when you were in KG2, आपने एक गेम खेला था in the annual sports and the game was खुल जा सिम सिम. और खुल जा सिम सिम के एंड में लास्ट में आप क्या लेकर दौड़े थे? That was a magic wand. That was a magic wand. So I have given name as magic words. The drawing and coloring name is magic words, and I will make 3 magic wands here. My first magic wand, this is my first magic wand. Okay, this is my, or you can say this is the first and this is the second and this one is the third magic wand. ठीक है? इस मैजिक वैंड को मैं थोड़ा सा लाइंस देकर डेकोरेट कर लेती हूँ. लेकिन इन मैजिक वैंड्स का करना क्या है? We are going to make 3 stars over these wands और हम उसमें magic words लिखेंगे. Okay? So class 1, do you know how to draw stars? बहुत बड़े बड़े stars draw करने वाली हूँ. See, if you cannot draw, you can take the help of your parents. अगर आप ये ड्रॉ नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स की भी हेल्प ले सकते हो. This is my first magic wand. My magic wand needs some space, so I am redrawing it. My first magic wand, and it is a big star. On the top there is a big star. See, if you are unable to draw star, you can take the help of your parents. अगर आप स्टार ड्रॉ नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स का भी हेल्प ले सकते हैं. और पहला नाइस वर्ड क्या है? What is the first nice word? It is please, thank you and pardon me. So my first word is please. 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 Now the second magic wand. The second magic wand. It is not looking good. The second magic word is thank you. The second magic word is thank you. Please, thank you and pardon me. So the second magic word is THANK. Thank. YOU. And now here I will draw the third magic wand. Okay, and a big star. If you are unable to make the star, you can take the help of your parents. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say. So, my third magic word is pardon me. PARDON, pardon, ME, me. And after it, I will color my stars. See, I have only 2 colors here. So, I am unable to color it much, but you have many colors at home. So, you can decorate your stars as you want. आप जैसे चाहे अपने stars को decorate कर सकते हैं. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say. So, class 1, what you need to do today? आज आप क्या करेंगे? You will write, you will learn and write question answers first in the classwork notebook and then in the homework notebook. Okay? And you have to learn the question answers. After that, you have to learn the poem also if you have not learned. अगर आपने poem learn नहीं किया है, तो आपको poem भी learn करना है. See, are my stars looking nice? क्या मेरे stars अच्छे दिख रहे हैं? These are the magic words, or you can say these are the nice words to say that show our politeness, जो हमारे politeness को show करता है that we are good, our conduct is good. So these are the 3 stars of magic words. और आपको पता है, जब हम ये सारे वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं तब मैजिक होता है खुलजा सिमसिम. कौन सा खुलजा सिमसिम? जिसमें कि जैसे मैंने उस दिन बताया था ना कि इफ यू आर गुड, पीपल विल बी गुड टू यू. खुशियों का खजाना खुल जाता है जब when we use these magic words. So my drawing and coloring is over. So these are the